Hello, I am Dr. K. K. Misra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Indian legal system part 2. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. In which of the following countries the courts do not have the power of judicial review? 1. The USA, 2. The UK, 3. France, 4. India. Options are A. Third, B. Second and third, C. First and third, D. Second. Correct option D. Second. Question number 2. In which country all courts including all levels of the state courts have the power of judicial review? A. India, B. Switzerland, C. America, D. Australia. Correct option is C. America. 3. Consider the following statements. Identify the statements which implies natural justice. A. The principle of natural justice is followed by the courts. B. Justice delayed is justice denied. C. Natural justice is an inalienable right of a citizen. D. A reasonable opportunity of being heard must be given. Correct option is D. A reasonable opportunity of being heard must be given. 4. Who took interest in public interest litigation cases? A. Bhagwati and Krishna Iyer. B. Kania and Sastry. C. Ray and Beck. D. Shah and Sikri. Correct option is A. Bhagwati and Krishna Iyer. Question number 5. A Supreme Court judge must have been a High Court judge for at least A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 7 years, D. 10 years. Correct option is B. 5 years. 6. Under which constitutional article review of judge or orders lies with the Supreme Court? A. Article 139, B. Article 137, C. Article 140, D. Article 141. Correct option is B. Article 137. 7. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? A. Fatma Bibi, B. Sujita Manohar, C. Rama Paul, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Fatma Bibi. 8. Consider the following statements about the Attorney General of India. A. 1. He is appointed by the President of India. 2. He must have the same qualifications as are required for a judge of the Supreme Court. 3. He must be a member of either House of Parliament. 4. He can be removed by impeachment by Parliament. Which of these statements are correct? So, from among the options given here, statement only first and second are correct. Question number 9. The Supreme Court or High Court commanding a person or a body to do that which is his or its duty to do is A. Mandamus, B. Habeas corpus, C. Prohibition, D. Certiorari. Correct option is A. Mandamus. 10. Who is responsible for protecting and defending the Constitution? A. President, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Prime Minister, the Supreme Court of India. Correct option is C. Prime Minister. 11. Who curbed the judicial review power of judiciary through amendment of the Constitution? A. State Legislature, B. Parliament, C. Council of State, D. Legislative Council. Correct option is B. Parliament. 12. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by A. President of India, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Prime Minister, the Governor of the State. Correct option is A. President of India. 13. The judge of the District Court appointed by A. President of India, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Prime Minister, the Governor of the State. Correct option is D. Governor of the State. Question number 14. The High Court has the power to issue writs under A. 224, B. 226, C. 225, D. 227. Correct option is A. 224. 15. The system of public interest litigation has been introduced in India. Options are A. Through constitutional amendment, B. By judicial initiatives, C. By political parties, D. By Parliament Act. Correct option is B. By judicial initiatives. Question number 16. Which Union Territory has a High Court of its own? A. Pondicherry, B. Delhi, C. Chandigarh, D. Lakshadweep. Correct option is B. Delhi. 17. The first Lok Adalat was held in the year A. 1985, B. 1986, C. 1987, D. 1988. Correct option is B. 1986. Question number 18. Which Supreme Court judgment described the basic structure of the Constitution of India for the first time? A. Shankari Prasad and Union of India, B. Keshavananda versus State of Kerala, C. Indira Gandhi versus Union of India, D. Goloknath versus State of Punjab. Correct option is B. Keshavanand versus State of Kerala. Question number 19. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? A. The Prime Minister, B. The President, C. The Parliament, D. The Governor. Correct option is B. The President. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.